Hi guys, my name is Sharon Piteli and you guys can call me Sha. Welcome back to my channel. This video I wanted to show you guys how you can alternate between styles of your kinky straight hair, and this is my curl. These are my curls. If you haven't seen my review, please click down on the description box. I'm gonna put a link where you can purchase this hair, and it's very affordable. So yeah, you can wear it straight, you can wear it curly like this, or you can just bone straighten it or natural. So it works for everything. And I found that this hair holds curls. I just combed them out and I did the curl again so that I can give you guys an honest review on how this hair holds curls. And one other thing is it's not shedding as much. It's normal shedding. I mean, all hair have this shedding when you comb it out, but the shedding is normal, and I've had this hair for 3 weeks now. This is the 3rd week now, and I'm happy. So if you guys want to see how I create these curls, keep on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment as well on what you want to see. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @shibisha. I'll just leave the link to my Instagram on the description box below. Just click on it and it will take you straight to my Instagram. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.